Command Studio. Ладно, мы по-бырому сейчас просто пройдем, чтобы канал не умирал. Так, ну что, продолжим. Ай, фрики. Нормально. По-моему, здесь Бонни уже будет атаковать нас.
Hello. Why must I screw everything up? Sorry, I'm just a bit stressed out. Hey, look, I wanted to warn you about something. Those piece of crap parents were greatly demanding the other day, and they asked us to turn on Bonnie and Sugar as well. And surprise, their circuits are greatly damaged, and for some reason they think it's a great idea to get inside the restaurant's ventilations. Remember what I said on your first shift about the vents not being important? Well, I take that back, and I think this might be the best use they'll have in a while, if I'm going to be honest with you. Oh, and one more thing, the vents tend to break frequently, so you may want to fix them by using the maintenance panel. And that's about it. Just don't let them get near you, and done. Good night.
Ну чё, началось веселье. Светить. Ладно. Уже все ушли. Вентиляцию 1, вентиляцию 3 мы закроем. Тут уже эти, блядь. Вот черт.